In the Ministry of Health statement, Yang Berhormat said the 3 new cases bring to 40 the number of confirmed COVID-19 cases in the country. Yang Berhormat added all the new cases are related to the Tabligh or religious gathering cluster in Kuala Lumpur. One of them is a Tabligh member, while the other 2 are family members of the Tabligh group already confirmed as being infected by COVID-19. Case 38 is a 17-year-old local male who is no longer studying and is unemployed. He was at the Kuala Lumpur Tabligh gathering and had returned home on the 3rd of March 2020 on an Air Asia flight to Miri, Sarawak. He has no signs of infection. Case 39, who is 38 years old, is the sister-in-law of Case 13 and wife of Case 33. She attended a family dinner with Case 13 and Case 33 on 4th of March 2020. She has no history of travel to Kuala Lumpur and no symptoms of infection. Case 40, who is 9 months old, is the daughter of Case 15, who has no history of travel to Kuala Lumpur and no signs of infection. The Minister of Health would like to inform the public that Alhamdulillah, all praise to Allah, all cases being treated at the National Isolation Centre are in good and stable condition, do not currently experience fever and do not require the aid of a respirator. The Minister of Health continues to carry out contact tracings for each case, and to date, 638 people have been instructed to undergo quarantine according to the Infectious Diseases Act, Chapter 204. Meanwhile, since the COVID-19 pandemic began in early January 2020, 776 laboratory tests have been conducted. The Minister of Health would like to inform the public that all local citizens who attended the Tabligh gathering in Kuala Lumpur have been traced, and 76 from the total number of 85 have returned home and undergone laboratory tests for COVID-19. 19 of them have been found positive and 57 others negative. Meanwhile, 9 others are still in Kuala Lumpur, where 8 of them are under quarantine and awaiting laboratory results for COVID-19. A Brunei student who has been found to be COVID-19 negative is under quarantine at Sungai Buloh Hospital in Selangor. Members of the public, especially Tabligh groups, reminded not to take part in any mass Tabligh gathering during this time, including the Tabligh gathering that will be held on 19 to 22nd of March 2020 in Makato, South Sulawesi, Indonesia. The Minister of Health would like to remind the public that although today's new cases do not indicate a big increase, many contacts are still undergoing quarantine and there are possibilities that more new positive cases could be traced. At the same time, the trend of the viral infection in other countries around the world has shown a drastic increase, and even though the COVID-19 situation in the country is under control, the risk of the virus entering and becoming viral in the country still exists. In this regard, the Minister of Health has studied the risk categorization of countries affected by COVID-19, and the public are advised to refer to the Ministry of Health's website for the latest list. For further information on the latest developments, the public can visit the Ministry of Health's website at www.moh.gov.bn or contact Health Advice Line 148 at any time.
Manakala seorang penuntut warga Brunei yang telah didapati negatif bagi ujian makmal COVID-19 sedang menjalani kuarantin di Hospital Sungai Buloh, Selangor. Orang ramai, khususnya jamaah tabligh, adalah diingat